Our product, I am Vinay, and is citation. Our product is about GENEVA mechanism, indexing mechanism. It's an indexing mechanism. Indexing is generally creating steps for table indexing for tables to do certain work in certain spacing of time. That's all indexing. Friend will explain about GENEVA mechanism.
GENEVA mechanism is also called as multi-scholastic. GENEVA mechanism is also called as multi-scholastic mechanism. Actually, the word GENEVA is taken from the Switzerland.
GENEVA mechanism. Here, our prototype is this, in which we have taken 5 indices for the table. The teeth of this drive will get into this slots and rotate the table by 6 times in one revolution. Thus, it creates some time for the workpiece to tool to do some work on this workpiece. The general applications of this mechanism are in watches we use this GENEVA mechanism, and in turret lathes, CNC machines, etc. Thank you.
And this is my partner, and this is Sai Kumar. Our project is ratchet and ball mechanism. It's basically an indexing mechanism. And this explanation goes on with this model. This is the model. This is the ratchet teeth, and these are 2 balls. In this model, we will be converting the oscillatory motion into intermittent periodic rotary motion. This is basically the explanation of all the indexing mechanisms. And in this, first of all, this oscillatory motion, this ball will engage with the teeth, and while we are converting it, we are rotating it, we will rotate the ratchet lead. And during the backward motion, this ball will be arresting the motion. This is the main example of this ratchet mechanism. The applications will be done.
Yeah, the basic difference between the other indexer mechanisms and the ratchet and ball mechanism is that the backward motion of the ratchet wheel will be restricted here. That's why this is the most better one as compared to the other basic mechanisms, right? So the ratchet and ball mechanism is very, this one is very applicable when we are compared to the other mechanisms. Yeah, especially this one when if you want to lift heavy loads or some other applications, we can use this ratchet and ball mechanism. So the applications of ratchet and ball mechanism, the main application is based on this stopping of arresting of backward movement. It is used to lift heavy loads. It is also used in many industries. It is used in lathe machine for periodic changing of tools.
Another applications we can discuss here. Where we take a milling machine, automatic tool changer. In a milling machine for milling an object, it will be used for an automatic tool changer. And in electromagnetic clocks, where the pendulum motion, which is having oscillator motion, it can be converted into rotary motions of the seconds clock, hours clock, and the minutes clock. These are the basic applications.
Yeah, the working will be like this. When we are moving, we are giving the feed with the hand movement. The wheel will be moved towards, and when we are, yeah, this is the working.